So yesterday I done the video of milling down my 4x4s into workable pieces. So this morning I continued that, and I'm getting this together. It's gonna be just a little stand that I might try to sell, or I might just give it to the wife to set flowers and stuff on. I'm not real sure yet, but either 1 3/8 by 1 3/8, 30 inches long. And that one is right at 2 3/8. It's 13 inches long inside. Same with the tops are the same as the bottom. And I'm going to wrap it around as a 1/4 inch inset. If you can see it or not in here. Give it a little depth. And I pocket hold things together. It's coming out pretty nice so far. Done the other one the same way. So that's what's going on. Old material making new. Alright, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, please. So I got this much done on it. I put a solid bottom in it, some little like 1/4 inch birch plywood, and I think it looks pretty good. I got a couple little spots I may fill with wood filler, and I may not. I may just let it look rustic type. But I'm going to put a poplar top on it. I got these poplar boards. They all fit together pretty good. So I'm going to glue them up, throw them in clamps, and put them on tomorrow. All right. Well, there it is, gang. Got the top on it. I think it looks really good. Rounded over the corners. So now she's going to put some kind of, I think she's going to shellac it. That's what she was talking about doing. It turned out better than I thought. Looks pretty good. She likes it, so that's all that counts, right? While I was waiting for the top to glue up yesterday, I made these cool things. That's right, arrows. It's made out of some of the scrap where you cut the stars from. So, actually people buy those things. Super simple to make. Super simple. Alright. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.